A solemn occasion that marks one of the most tragic events in human history. On August 6, 1945, the city of Hiroshima in Japan was reduced to ashes in just a few seconds when the United States dropped the first atomic bomb named Little Boy. 3 days later, another bomb named Fat Man was dropped on Nagasaki. Together, these two bombings claimed the lives of over 2 lakh people, many of whom were innocent civilians, children, mothers, elders, all gone in a blink of an eye. Those who survived, known as Hibakusha, faced a lifetime of pain, disease, and trauma due to radiation exposure. But why do we remember Hiroshima? We remember it not just to mourn the past, but to also learn from it. But most importantly, Hiroshima reminds us of the danger of nuclear weapons and the need for global peace and disarmament. As young citizens and the future of this nation and the world, we must take stand not just in speeches, but also in our action. Let us also remember the words of Mahatma Gandhi. An eye for an eye will make the whole world blind. On this Hiroshima Day, let us take a pledge that we will stand against war and violence. Let Hiroshima Day not just be forgotten, let it be a constant reminder that peace is not just an idea, it is a necessity. That's all. Thank you and